Hello, my name is Miranda from Bountiful, Utah. Installing a hitch on your GMC Acadia can lead to a lot of amazing things such as biking, camping, or skiing. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's break down how we did this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We're going to start this installation by removing the rear trim panel, and it will not be returned. Next, we need to lower the exhaust, but first we need to support it with a strap. You're going to need some soapy water and the exhaust pliers for easy removal. If debris is present, clean the weld nuts with a wire brush. We're now ready to raise the hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, you are going to need a second pair of hands. Tape your spacers to the central mounting location. You can now install your M12 hardware. Make sure the teeth face the hitch. If your center mounting locations have weld nuts, you'll be using your provided M12 bolts with the conical tooth washers. If your vehicle does not have the weld nuts, you'd be using a handle nut with a 1/2 inch bolt and the same conical tooth washers. Always make sure the teeth face the hitch. We are now ready to tighten and torque our hardware to the manufacturer specifications in the description below. We're going to use a 19mm socket and an extension if needed. When tightening the center fasteners, be sure to adjust the torque wrench to the proper specifications. Use tin snips to cut off the excess handle on the handle nut. Then use a tool like pliers to push the remaining pieces back into the bumper frame. We're now ready to raise the exhaust back into position. Be sure to remember to remove your strap. Now that the hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle down to level ground to get some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. The distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 18 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.